Hi beauties, welcome again to When Stars. A happy Sunday to you all. God bless you guys for really staying locked to this channel. I have those short haircuts that are really captivating. This is indeed an eye-catchy haircut that will suit every face shape and every complexion. So if you're really looking for hair that will suit your personal style, or you have the oval face or the oblong face, or you have the square face, no matter the kind of face you have, those short hairstyles will really give you that perfect look you want. And it also comes with this beautiful hair color that will always make you look gorgeous and beautiful. And you can see we have different products here that I'll be advertising to you guys for you to choose the right one that you can get around your area, or the one that will suit your face shape, or the one that will give you that perfect color. Take a good look on this hair, on those beautiful seniors. I love how the salt and pepper really give her that glamour she wants. And cut by Antonio, that's based in Trinidad and Tobago, knows what he's doing. He's like Coco, they know what they are doing, and they are here to give beautiful matured older women the best hairstyles that will always make them look younger, that will take many years off their age. And indeed, this haircut today is a low maintenance haircut that will really make you look good. So if you really don't want to stress yourself in front of the mirror always, and you really want something that will give you that beautiful look and maintain eyes in every occasion, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate my returning subscribers. Stay look to When the Stars, and a blessed week to you all. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. Prepare, Lord, I prepare. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. Prepare, Lord, I prepare. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above. I prepare my heart for the life that is to come. I prepare my heart for the joy of meeting Jesus. I prepare my heart for the coming endless life. I prepare my heart to your well and faithful servant. I prepare for the coming of Jesus. I prepare for the coming of the Lord. No room for distractions, no room for the flesh. Daily I sow to the Spirit, 'cause my life is from above.